Hello and good day everyone. In this video, we will explain about the important parts in email. Before that, our group members consist of 3, namely Nur Hafiza Abdullah S56130, Stella Janice S55921, Siti Emilia Juliana binti Adam S56003. So, let's begin. There are 3 important parts in an email, and we will explain about the format of an email, content of an email plus languages notes, and ending of an email plus languages notes. For the first part is format of an email. There are 7 steps, and the first step is to write the sender emails. The second step is to write the receiver email, and the third step is writing the subject line. For example, job application for the post junior auditor. Next, the fourth step is salutation or greeting. For example, dear sir. Step number 5 is the most important step of the email, which is the body of the email. Step number 6, closing remarks, and the final step in email writing is the signature together with the name. That's all for the format of an email.
Next, content of an email and language notes. The 3 key elements that must be present in the content of an email is: first is the purpose of an email, second is the readability, lastly the politeness. In the email, we must write the subject line. The subject line relates to the content of the email. Secondly, we have to use the proper greetings or the salutation. For example, we can use Dear Mr. Ahmad or Dear Sir, Dear Madam. Thirdly, in an email, we must use opening sentences that will grab our reader's intentions. For example, we can use please find attached documents you requested, or we can use in response to your email before. Next, clear and purpose of an email written. We must state reason why you are writing an email, and we must make it short and straight to the point. The second key elements that must be present in an email is readability. So firstly, we must ensure that each email sent is readable and catches the attention the recipient. Secondly, we must keep emails as short as possible without omitting pertinent information. Next, we must fine-tune the salutation and level of familiarity of each email accordingly. Lastly, we must reread the content of the email so that it sounds professional and is free from errors before clicking the send button. The last key elements that must be present in our email is politeness. Firstly, it is best to always be polite. Secondly, is do not respond to an email in anger. Leave it for a while before replying in a professional tone. And lastly, we must always be certain as to which the message is best sent through email. This is because email is void of auditory and visual cues, which can be easily misinterpreted.
The ending of an email usually consists of at least 3 items, which are requests for action, thanks the recipient and the name of sender, and inclusion of attachment is optional. Email attachment are files you send along with the email to support its content or add value or information to the email. Secondly, closing or request for action. An action required email is a mail to ask somebody to do something for you. Thirdly, thanking the recipient is a digital message that you send to express your gratitude to someone. Lastly, name of sender is a proper email closing, also known as validation close or complimentary close. It's the last part a person reads before your name and can make or break their attitude in response. The formal language note for attachment is please find the file attached or please find attached my current resume. Then for the less formal is I am sending you the list of purchase order as an attachment, or I have attached the enrollment statistic you request. Secondly, thanking the recipient, the formal language note can use is thank you in advance, thank you for your attention in this matter, or thank you for your help in this matter. And then for the less formal, can use thanks or thanks a lot. Lastly, the formal ending you can use is yours sincerely, yours faithfully, sincerely, yours truly, or best wishing. And the less formal you can use regards, see you soon, best regards,